Welcome to Streetlight Learning Media once again. Another year is leaving us, carrying all our smiles, our tears, and the stories that shaped us. 2025 is leaving us behind. It is a year that gifted us countless moments of happiness, sorrows, victories, and losses. As we step into a new year, do we wish to renew our life? Is a question I would like to ask. As we pause to reflect on 2025, many thoughts may pass through our minds. For some, it was a year that brought immense joy. For many others, it delivered deep pain. For some other dear souls, it was a year of losing their beloved ones and the beloved things that they kept close to their hearts. For some, 2025 became a year of reclaiming what was once lost. Some others, long awaited dreams finally rested in their hands. For others, it may have been a year where hard earned achievements slipped away from their hands. For some others, they may have watched their dreams fall just within their reach. Some others may have been hurt, knowingly or unknowingly, by those around them. It may have been a year where we were betrayed, torn apart, and sacrificed for the survival and selfish interests of others. Yet, it may also have been a year where we encountered countless kind hearts, people who stood by us, embraced us, supported us, even without knowing us or ever having met us. Some others were blessed with receiving new lives in their family. We do not know what the new year holds for us, but we can strengthen our minds and our hearts. We can reflect on how small our problems, our struggles, our troubles truly are. We can strive to make our presence, our words, our actions a blessing in the life of our fellow being in this new year. Let every small moment become a new lesson, a new chapter, which may refine us, which may shape our lives. With great hope in the hearts, let's become love in the hearts of those who loved us. Let's become forgiveness in the lives of those who betrayed or hurt us. Let's become a blessing those who chose to be good to us. Let this entire world be filled with love, kindness, compassion. May our presence become peace, our words become healing, our lives become blessing to each and every one around us. Let us carry forward not the pain from the past, but the lessons, and begin again with hope that the new year is going to bring us all the good. Wishing you all the most blessed, happy new year. God bless you all. Thank you.